Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study metabolism biochemistry. Begin by grasping the core metabolic pathways like glycolysis and the Krebs cycle. Understand their overall purpose and where they occur in the cell. Next, identify the key enzymes that catalyze irreversible steps, as these are often regulatory points. Finally, always know the starting molecules and the end products for each pathway. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building a comprehensive understanding. Visual learning is incredibly effective for metabolism. Create your own metabolic maps, connecting pathways and noting where they intersect. This helps you see the bigger picture and how different processes are linked. Don't just memorize, understand the flow. Also, use flashcards for specific enzyme names, their substrates, products, and any essential cofactors. Active recall through drawing and flashcards solidifies your knowledge much faster. Metabolism isn't static, it's highly regulated. Focus on how hormones like insulin and glucagon influence pathway activity. Understand the mechanisms of allosteric regulation, where molecules bind to enzymes at sites other than the active site to alter their function. Crucially, integrate your knowledge by considering how pathways adapt to different physiological states, such as feeding, fasting, or exercise. This contextual understanding makes the information more meaningful. Finally, consistent practice is non-negotiable. Work through numerous practice problems and case studies to apply your knowledge to real-world scenarios. Try explaining complex pathways aloud to yourself or a study partner. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. And for those long study sessions, remember that reading anywhere is easier with the new Kindle Paperwhite. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals to help with your studies. This active engagement will solidify your understanding and boost your confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.